As you can see that this is a circle and this is the center of the circle. Okay, and this is the circumference of the circle. Okay, so what is this? This is the center of the circle and this is the circumference of the circle. This is the center and this is the point on the circumference of the circle. So when we join these 2 points, we get the radius. We name this point as A. So OA is the radius of the circle. So distance from the center of the circle and the point on the circumference is always same. Let me take another point B. If we join point B and O, this is also radius and OB is equals to OA. Okay, so radius of the circle is always equal. So radius OA and OB is the distance from the center of the circle to any point on the circumference. Okay, we will understand what is the chord of the circle. So a chord is a line segment that joins 2 points on the circumference of the circle. Okay, so like we take a point C and a point D on the circumference of the circle and we join it. So we get the chord. So what is the chord? Chord is the line segment that joins 2 points on the circumference of the circle. So chord equals to DC and these are the radius. Okay, now next topic is the diameter. Okay, so what is the diameter? Diameter is also a chord that passes through the center of a circle. So diameter is also a chord because it is a line segment that joins 2 points on the circumference of the circle, but it passes through the center. Okay, let we take it as point E and we pass it from the center O and here at the point F it meets. Okay, so EF is the diameter. So we can say that diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Diameter is the longest chord of a circle, that is EF. EF passes through the center. Here we can draw many diameters because we can draw many line segments through the center that joins the 2 points on it on the circumference of the circle. We name it as GH. GH is the chord because it joins the 2 points. GH is the line segment that joins the 2 points on the circumference and it passes through the center, so it is called a diameter. Now we will understand arc. What is an arc? Arc is the part of the circumference. Arc is a part of a circumference, like FH is a part of the circle. This is also an arc, that is EA. Okay, now we will understand what is a semicircle. So semicircle is the half of the circle. So diameter divides the circle into 2 halves. So if we can see that this is the first half of the circle, so half of the circle is called semicircle. Okay.